I hope your alt position is set because the Fomo has just begun. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this great video that I do every day for you. Hopefully enjoying the new audio. I've got this new microphone here and I don't have to hold it and put it on me. So it's now a boom mic and hopefully the audio is perfect. My name is Da Vinci and I'm in the pipe 5x5 in Dubai. And we're going to be getting onto the news, which tells us it's going to be a FOMO time for the alt seasons. And we're also going to be doing some trading, right? Yesterday's trade, right, went extremely well, right? We're going to take a look at that in today's episode, right? And see how well it did and how well you did with that trade. With that said, if you're interested in trading, you can do so at levex.davincij15.com or bybit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Also, make sure you get your ID because that's important, right? The governments don't want you to be rich because then you will not be dependent on them. That's not in their best interest and the interests of their corporations. Also, make sure if you want to play and have some fun with me, because I'm kicking butt in medieval empires, you can do so. me.davincij15.com. Link is also in the description below. Okay, let's get on to our next gen corner. We're going to see ORC climb above the $5 million market cap. It's getting it done slowly but surely. Same with Waffles. It's at the 5 million. It's going to slowly grab to 6. And Wow Mao is coming back heavy. Pay as well. A little slow, but don't worry. This is part of the alt season. Hopefully you've got yours. This is the news we're going to be covering today. Let's start off with MicroStrategy adds 1,070 more Bitcoin holdings. Each reach 447,000 BTC. Jesus. I know most of you would like the 470. Damn, G. That's crazy. Man, this guy keeps buying. MicroStrategy is the business intelligence firm known for its aggressive Bitcoin investment strategy, required an additional 1,000 plus BTC last week for approximately $100 million. Look at that. It is crazy how much money they just keep pumping into Bitcoin. Like, eventually they're going to have to stop, right? When the prices get high enough, they won't be able to do. Right now, they're at 2.5%, right? Almost. And so once they get to, 5%, I think they can't really buy anymore legally, right, in the United States. Bitcoin debasement trade is here to stay. Okay, investors are boosting Bitcoin allocation as a hedge against geopolitical uncertainty, the bank said. Okay, what they failed to also say, and central banker incompetence. Yeah, that's right. The central bankers are also at the heart of all of the geopolitical uncertainty. They are the core. They are the tip of the spear. Why? Why do I tell you that? Why do I say that? Because the person who created central banking, he didn't create it really, but he managed to, reignite it, and he understood its power. Said, "Give me the control of a nation's money supply, and I care not who's king." Why is that? Well, if you have access to money, the creating the money, you could tell the king how the cow eats the cabbage. And so effectively, the central bank is telling the kings, governments, how to eat the cabbage. And they are causing all the strife and geopolitical uncertainty. There it is. Boom! New crypto haven for U.S. competitor. Russia approves crypto taxation. I don't know if that's calls it a haven. They're saying because Russia is interested in having a tax from 13 to 22% on crypto, Means it's a haven? Come to Dubai, Habibi. Yeah, it's zero. Zero. Well, not anymore. I mean, actually, it's like 3%, but for corporate tax only. But yeah, income tax, personal, it's zero. So there you go. All right, now kicking off the biggest altcoin season in history of mankind is coming, thanks to BlackRock investing 1.6 billion, and alts are about to explode. This guy. Yeah, well, if they do put that kind of money into alts, right? Whether it's Solana or Ethereum, or even some of the meme coins, right? It's on. It's on like Donkey Kong. And that means, right, people who own all the base alts, they're going to move it into the sub alts, which is the meme coins, eventually to gain alpha. So it's going to be explosive. So make sure you are set for that event. Make sure you also have an account at these exchanges, Levex and Bybit, right? Today. All right. As you can see, this trade was nice. It came right down to our entry point and then took off. There you go. Boom. Like that. It would have wiped you out if, maybe it would have wiped us out if we took the entry up here. But there it is. Right? We moved it down and boom, there we go. And we got our target. There it is. We could have gotten even like, you know, the 100. I was telling you guys before, right? It was yesterday. We said approximately 102.5-ish area, right? Was the most likely target, but we wanted to not be greedy and you know, exit the trade with a 2-to-1. There we go. You get an easy win after the previous loss. That's how you trade. If you trade with the expectation of every single trade being a win, you lose. Right? If you trade with the expectation of every trade being a win, you lose. Now, if you trade with the expectation that every trade is going to be a win or a loss, so you trade with that expectation, you go, okay, well, I can't put everything in. I can't like try to make back my money if I lost in the last trade. I got to put in the right amount. It's called money management. This is something you need to learn when trading. This is the hardest part of day trading to learn. It's not the charts, not determining which direction to bet on. It's not all that. That's very easy. It is betting $5 every single time and not saying, well, this time, since I got 10 in a row, I'll put $5,000, everything I got. That's how you lose. And and you don't lose because you won. Let's just say you did put everything you got on this trade, right? And you won. Guess what you're going to do? You're going to do it on the next trade. And if you win again, you're going to do it on the next trade. And then you're going to feel like, wow, this is the way to trade. I'm always winning. I'm always going up. And I'm going up big. And that is how you end up with everything gone, lost. All right, with that said, moving on. As I said, there was not much room for Ethereum to go up, so we didn't make a trade here. And Solana, there was a little bit of room, right? I said, maybe we get up to the 229, 230-ish area, but there was no guarantees of that. And now we are rolling over. It looks like this is just okay, I'm going to wipe out the shorts before we come back down. So I would say this is about to come back down probably to the 61.8, just under the 193-ish area, in that area. And the reason why I would say that is because we can see that there is now divergence occurring here in the price action. And you can see it's probably going to confirm very shortly. It hasn't confirmed yet, but I'm not going to go into the explanation of how to confirm it in this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.